Yearning for a moment of tranquility in a chaotic world? Why not try this? White Noise Sleep Aid Bluetooth Alarm Clock Speaker. It has 8 combinations of natural sounds. More than 200 kinds of mixed music. Meet your every need. With LED digital display, the time, alarm clock, and day of the week are clearly displayed, and the screen can be adjusted with 3 levels of brightness. Supports high-definition calls. With dual speakers, plus independent bass diaphragm, you can enjoy music alone after connecting external earphones. There are also a variety of RGB ambient lighting adjustable. With it, you can have a good mood and sleep every day.